Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my July Ipsy Extra. So check this video out. All right, so July Ipsy Extra. So just so you guys know, this is actually my second video. If you guys want to check out my Ipsy original, I recorded that last week, so make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that notification button so you see my unboxings. But let's check out July Ipsy Extra. So I did get an add-on this time, and I get the Beauty Boost, so I do have that in here, and I must have got a lot because I don't know if they're changing this, because I know that they decided to introduce the bags last month, but the bag, I still had a box. So let me know what you guys got, if you got a box too with the bag. But there's a lot of good things which I don't want to share with you, so we'll take that off camera so you guys don't see that yet. So I'll show that to you first. But anyways, this is the bag. Super, super cute. Let me know what you guys do with all your bags, because I have so many bags and I do keep them and then I don't know what to do with them and I feel bad throwing them out, so I'm like, I don't know. Okay, what did they pick for me? Actually, I don't even remember. Okay, I think this was one thing that I got picked for me by What's Up Beauty, their setting and refreshing spray. So let's check this out. All right, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna actually just spray it on. Whoa, that came out pretty thick. Doesn't really smell like anything. So, all right, product number one. Of course, what else is in here? We have this right here, the little pamphlet. Is there anything good in here to get, you know, look? Oh, little tips on bronzer, little, you know, staycation surprise, stuff like that. Sneak peek for next time. I don't know. I don't really look at these. I don't know if you guys look at those. I like the Ipsy original ones because it actually says, like, you know, it gives you the description and like the tip and then how much they are. That one I like. That one I'm just like, whatever. All right, what else did they pick for me? I know two things they picked and then I picked three. All right, this is the other thing. How in the world do I open this? Oh, there we go. This is by Toy Factory. I actually haven't had anything from Toy Factory in quite a long time. So let's see if we can open this and rip it open but not damage anything, because we don't want to damage anything. All right, this is their, what is this? I don't know if it's a highlighting thing. I think it's a highlighting palette. Yep, highlighting palette. I don't really need a highlighting palette. Oh my goodness. What do you guys do with products that you don't want? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments below, because I use highlighter, but it takes me forever to use a highlighter, so I don't really need a highlighter. But watch me not breaking a nail trying to open this. All right, whoop, little thing in here. And I mean, they're really nice colors. So they are nice. I'm gonna try this white one. Oh. Little shimmery right there. You can barely see these. Let's try this one. Put them all on here and then show you guys what it looks like from darkest to lightest. I mean, you barely see it, but maybe I will keep it. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's like a lot in there. Like, it looks like a just deluxe sample, or like maybe it's like the perfect amount of highlighter to use. I don't know. But that's the two things that they picked for me. So what I picked was by First Aid Beauty, which I love First Aid Beauty. This product and another product, I can't remember what it was, but it was between the two. And the reason why I picked this one, even though it's just body lotion and I don't really need body lotion, it's peach, and I love peach. So this is their Smoothing and Brightening Body Lotion. First Aid Beauty. Like I said, I love First Aid Beauty. So let's see how this one smells. Oh my goodness. It smells really good. Let's see if we can get some lotion out. And it's very thin, so that's good. So definitely excited for peach. I probably won't use it now. I'll probably wait till like the fall, because I like peach at like August and September time. what else did I get? Okay, so then I also picked, this is by Style Dry Hair Mask. This is Passion Fruit Pop. So this is a hair mask with shea butter and nourishing argan oil. So that's exciting to use. Definitely need a new hair mask. How long should you leave this in your hair? 10 minutes. Not too bad, 10-minute mask. All right. And then another thing that I picked was by Saturday Skin. This is their vitamin C and water blossom serum. I actually have their toner, and I actually really like their toner, and I'm running out of vitamin C, so that's why I ended up picking this out. I really don't care about the box because this is something that we're gonna be keeping, so definitely, as I like, break it. No damage, guys, no damage. So this is what it looks like. I do like Saturday Skin. They're a really nice company. I've tried quite a bit of things from them before. But let's try this out. I look like a highlighting palette over here with all the sparkles on my hand. Ooh. Ooh, whoa. Oh, this is really, really nice. Very, very thin, and it like a little goes a lot. Well, I could probably even keep going from that little drop. Feels very watery, which I like. All right, so that is everything that, the 2 that they picked, the 3 that I picked, and then for my beauty boost. Okay, so for my beauty boost, I actually got a eyeshadow palette. And to be honest, I'm not too happy that I got an eyeshadow palette. And I don't know how you guys feel. I liked the beauty boost where if you did not want what they were sending you, that you could pick. I don't like the fact that we can't pick anymore. And I mean, we'll say 8 out of 10 times, I probably don't want to change it. But then there's that 2 out of 10 that I'm like, no, I still want to change it, where it's like maybe a serum that I already have, or like I don't really need any more face creams and I always end up getting that, or eyeshadow palettes. I don't need any more palettes. As you can see, it's summertime. I'm barely even wearing any makeup. So I'm not really a fan. So let's go this way so we don't blind you guys with the palettes and show you, what is this one? This is Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Striped. I mean, those are really nice colors though. I would say they're I can't even talk. They are definitely up my alley. Everyday nude color, so maybe I'll give it a try. I probably won't give it away. I don't know if my daughter wants it or not, but not too bad. So let me just do this off camera because I always feel like I blind people when I have a mirror of some sort. All right, last but not least, my add-on. Purlisse. If you guys don't know, I'm an affiliate with Purlisse and I love like all their products. And I actually do have this product, but I have it in a smaller version. I don't have the bigger product and I needed to get the bigger one. This is a exfoliating mask. I love this. This is awesome. So obviously, you know what exfoliating mask does. You put it on for about, this one's 10 to 15 minutes. And then of course take it off, but this is an awesome, awesome product to remove dead skin cells off your face. So if you guys haven't tried this, you need to definitely try that. So, all right, so that is actually everything in my Ipsy Extra. I have to always go slow saying because I'm like, they're always changing the names and I'm like, which one is this one that we're talking about again? So, I mean, I'm definitely excited to use that lotion. I love First Aid Beauty. I love Purlisse with the exfoliating mask. I'm definitely excited to try the hair mask because I definitely have been running low on hair mask, and definitely that vitamin C by Saturday Skin is a definitely, you know, thing I'm gonna try. And I probably will keep that eyeshadow palette, just go ahead and you know, just to try it out, because I probably should start putting some eyeshadow on because I feel like I'm getting a little pale over here and my skin is getting tan from being outside. So, but like I said, that is actually everything for this video. Let me know what you guys do with products, like I said, in the comments below, with products that, you know, like you don't want or you don't actually technically need. So I actually, for my Ipsy original, I actually told you guys that I actually use the little samples and save them to the side for my daughter and make like a little advent calendar for Christmas. So that's an idea with the little ones, but obviously the big ones also could be stocking stuffers. Just a little tip. But yeah, like I said, this is it for this video. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make specialty videos like these on Saturdays. I just had my Ipsy original come out. This is the Ipsy Extra. I did my routines not too long ago. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I like doing these sit downs with you guys so I can, you know, share this kind of stuff and just putting in our vlogs, because we do vlog Monday through Thursday is our weekly vlog, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday is our weekend vlog. We post that Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then also down below is Bella Bean's channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to her channel as well. And then Mason's gonna be coming out with a channel soon. Make sure you subscribe to his channel as well when he comes out. And then also down below is my TikTok, my Instagram, my LTK. Make sure you guys are subscribed to me on there and follow me, because I do different things on different social media platforms. And then I will see you guys in my next one.